Good morning everyone, it's Russell Oliver here. I'm here to talk to you guys and girls about two-step verification or authentication on your personal Facebook account. Why is this important for your business? Because most business applications are actually integrated into Facebook, and this includes Facebook groups, pages, and certain back-end website logins. That's right, there's also numerous amounts of other applications, and if someone gets a hold of your personal Facebook account, they can do irreversible damage to your business. So let's try and secure this with another layer of protection itself. So right here, we're going to go to this little right-hand arrow, go into your settings tab. Very simple. This is actually very easy to do. Head on to your security and login. Now scroll down here, go to use two-factor authentication. Click on edit there. You will need to enter in your phone number if you haven't done so, and your mobile phone that is, and click enable. Now what happens is it's going to ask you for a particular code, and so here it's going to say, are you sure you want to set up two-factor authentication? Yes, I do. So here we go. You must now use a security key in order to log into unrecognized devices. That's right. So that is pretty much there in a nutshell. So if you were to log out and log back in, it's going to ask you for a security key. That's right, and you can do that via text message. So that's how easy it is to set up your two-step authentication for Facebook. Thumbs up. See ya.